Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE Exceed Solid Mechanics paper of year 2025. Question number 75 to question number 87 carry 2 marks each. Question number 75 is consider two blocks P of mass 100 kg and Q of mass 150 kg resting as shown in the figure. The angle theta is equal to 30 degree. The coefficient of friction between the two blocks is 0.2. Assume no friction exists at all the interfaces. The minimum force required to move the block P upward is W. Which one of the options is closest to the correct magnitude of W in Newton? Option A 862.2, option B 1116.6, option C 2900.0, option D 406.2. So these are the two blocks P and Q, and there is friction here only, no friction here, no friction here, or no friction there. And W load is applied, and this angle is theta, and theta is given as 30 degrees. So friction is only here. So now if we apply force W here, so then this wall will also apply a reactive force which will cause the P to move up. So we can assume that uh, here if W is acting here, then then this can act as an inclined plane for P. Okay, so this is this is P and this is your Q. Inclined plane is Q, and W is horizontal force applied to move the block P up on inclined plane Q. Okay. So, so now at this condition the forces acting on the plane are weight of P, that is 100 kg. Okay, weight of P, that is 100 kg, and Rn is normal reaction, mu Rn is pure force of friction. Okay, and W is the force applied. So these are the forces, and these forces can be resolved perpendicular to the plane and along the plane. So perpendicular to the plane, the forces are Rn and W sin 30 and 100 cos 30. This angle would be 30. This its component will be 100 cos 30. 100 is all are in kg. So W is in kg. This 100 is also in kg. 100 into cos 30. W sin 30 is component here, and this is W cos 30. This is Rn. This is mu Rn, and this is 100 sin 30. Okay. So now if we take the forces perpendicular to the plane, then it is Rn is balancing W sin 30 and 100 cos 30. Okay. So Rn is equal to 100 cos 30 plus W sin 30. This is equation number 1. And mu Rn is balancing W cos 30 minus 100 sin 30. Okay. This is sin 30. So now if we can put the value of Rn in equation number 2 from 1. So that is 100 cos 30 plus W sin 30 into 0.2 is equal to W cos 30 minus 100 sin 30. Now in this equation only W is variable or unknown, so we can calculate for W, that is, so W comes out as 87.88 kg, or in Newton it will be 862.2 Newton. Okay. Again one repeating, the above equation can be compared with the inclined plane carrying weight P, okay, as shown in figure 2, and W is the horizontal force acting on it to move it up. If W is applied here, then this wall will apply W in opposite direction to move the block up. Now this can be taken as inclined plane, inclined plane, and this can be taken as block P with W acting in horizontal direction. Okay, so after that there are analysis of forces. So first force is the mass of block, then normal reaction, then W. There are three forces and these can be resolved in the component perpendicular to plane and along the plane. So perpendicular plane is Rn um, W sin 30 and 100 cos 30. So Rn is balancing this, and mu Rn is just W cos 30 minus 100 sin 30. So putting the value of Rn here, you can find a W comes out as 87.88 or 862.2 Newton is the answer.